Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about 4 ways in which Amazon sellers can use artificial intelligence (AI), or in other words, ChatGPT and Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. So these AI tools, which are in hype right now, I'm going to talk about 4 ways in which Amazon sellers can utilize these tools for improvement in their process. My name is Dr. Vasamin, and I am CEO of Upscale Valley, an Amazon advertising agency. So it's going to be an ongoing procedure. The end result of part one is going to be the input for part two, and so is same is going to happen for part two and three, and then for part four. But there are four different things which we are going to do with ChatGPT and Midjourney specifically in this video. First one is we are going to define the customer avatar. Now we used to do that before with the Google search, and there was a set of different questions. What is the product used for? Who used the product? In which industry does the product fall? So all these kind of questions to analyze what is the customer avatar for the product, who actually uses the product, what are their hobbies, what are their psychographics, what are their goals, values in life, to get an idea. But now with ChatGPT, this step is very facilitated. We are going to see that later on in this video. The second point which we are going to say is different product design ideas through Midjourney. Now there is a science behind it, definitely. If you simply write, I need maybe a stress ball, imagine a stress ball or such kind of stuff, it's not that simple, and you're going to see a big variation in the end result. So how we are going to control that, how we are going to control that to something similar to what's being already sold on Amazon, even though we do want some design development or some design ideas, but it should not be like, for the people living on Mars. So there need to be some correlation. So in this second step, we are going to see how we are supposed to do that. And then in the third part, we are going to see how we can make ChatGPT read or learn the reviews from Amazon platform, and then how we can get some product development ideas, some suggestions for improvements, suggestion for adding some product or for omitting some feature which are not much desirable by the audience, or any valuable insight which ChatGPT can provide us. This is going to be the third step. And the fourth step is pretty common, which almost everyone must have been doing up till now with ChatGPT, which is copywriting. So all these four steps are in a flow, and you're going to get all these prompts in a particular sequence. I'm going to share the link of the PDF below in the description of the video as well. So you can simply copy paste the prompts to get a nearly relevant idea. So let's go through the slides one by one to go through the step in a particular sequence. So here I'm using Midjourney. I've taken some screenshots so we don't waste time in waiting for it to analyze and to process all the prompts, all the commands. So here is a product, a rough product I've picked up from Amazon, which is a stainless steel tongue scraper. And I've simply written the command like //imagine, and then prompt pops up, and there I've written a stainless steel tongue scraper. I'll explain the later part, this part later on, the science behind it. And I have asked the Midjourney latest version 5.1 to give me some ideas. So after that, if we kind of zoom in the image, these are the tongue scraper ideas, stainless steel tongue scraper ideas, which Midjourney has given to us. But these are far away from the reality part, I would say. How? Because this first, second, and third, fourth one, first, second, and fourth one, these are not even close to the stainless steel tongue scraper. At least what is being sold already on Amazon now. We do believe we need some creative ideas. But if you see from the production perspective, the stainless steel being used, like the quantity of stainless steel being used in one unit is so much as compared to what's being sold on Amazon. So it would be very difficult to compete on the price point or other additional point. This third one looks a bit cooler, and maybe a little bit of modification in it can make it something closer to which can be, the design which can be utilized or which can be tested through the Big Four. But still, this is kind of you are going to get far away result from the actual reality if you simply put the prompt command. Now this issue is being faced by many people. And then there is a common market solution to it, in which what people are doing, people are feeding up the Midjourney documents to the ChatGPT. Like this is how Midjourney works, or it can be applied to Stable Diffusion as well. This is how Midjourney works. This is the example prompt. This is the expected outcome. Now Midjourney has this feature like versions, and then chaos, and then stylized feature, and then image weight, then prompt weight. So all these things people teach to ChatGPT to make it like a mini bot. And once a mini bot is prepared, they give them some example prompts picking up from the Midjourney documents, and after that they give them a simplified prompt, like let's say a stainless steel tongue scraper, and then the ChatGPT gives in return a very detailed prompt. But that detailed prompt is also not going to solve the purpose here. Why? Because the example it's talking more about let's say Canon ABC camera with this quality of lens, with this angle, maybe at the 35-degree angle, and the 4K or 8K quality, and ultra realistic, and all these kind of points. But this is definitely going to help out in improving the image quality. But what design do we need? It's not going to provide help in that regard. So the common practice which is being going on in the market, that has a flaw in it. Now here I'm going to show you how we can improve the prompt part to make a result look more realistic or more relatable to what do we need. So let's go through the process one by one. So this is the first command which I put to ChatGPT 4. Who could be the best consumer target audience for selling stainless steel tongue scraper, the product which I mentioned to you. Here is the answer from ChatGPT. The best consumer target audience might include the following groups: health and wellness enthusiast, dental care conscious individuals, consumers with halitosis. Halitosis is the medical term, like bad smell. I kind of relate it from the medical background. Sustainable living advocates, and then all these points. Now, okay, so I have picked up the second one, the dental care conscious individuals. So you can pick up any, depending upon a rough idea, which type of customer avatar or customer persona has a more ratio in population, or has a more percentage among the different consumer groups. So after that, the second command is what's the second prompt is basically what would be the customer avatar for dental care conscious individuals. Now here ChatGPT has given me the customer avatar. Now at this stage it serves the step one. Like, you can get the customer avatar, and it's really amazing. It's really amazing. Even if you go through the Google, your search result is going to be around 70 to 80% similar to what ChatGPT is giving you right now. This is not something like, being updated very quickly. Like, the data today is not going to be way much different than the data in 2021. As we all know that ChatGPT has reading maybe till the mid of 2022. So it's not going to have a negative impact on the quality of result. So here is the customer avatar, like John Doe. The age is 35, male, suburban area of a mid-sized city. So he has drafted a whole customer avatar. Let's come to the hobbies part. He's a health enthusiast, like reading health and wellness blogs, magazines, fitness regimens, cycling on weekends, and all that part. Challenges are to maintain a fresh breath throughout the day, is concerned about preventing oral diseases, and there are people who actually do that. The shopping preferences: prefer products that are highly effective and have a good customer review, because he is health conscious. So the media habits are consuming online blogs about health and wellness. So it has drafted the whole customer avatar. Now how we are going to utilize this end result of step one for the step two, which is generating different product design ideas. So let's see the next prompt. What would be the description and features of a suitable tongue scraper for customer avatar John Doe? So I'm carrying on the conversation here. Okay, so the thing is, what's the answer from ChatGPT? Product name: Fresh Breath Pro stainless steel tongue scraper. So it has given it a name, which is a cool name. Then the product description, then the key features: high quality stainless steel, ergonomic design, dual action scraping edge, non-slip grip. Now it should not slip from your hand. Easy to clean after it. You have you utilize it to clean your mouth. Then it should be easy to clean, easy to sterilize, travel friendly. So you can take it with you while you're traveling, and then sustainable product, and then lifetime guarantee, and all that part. So here what I've done is I have copied all this part here, like Fresh Breath Pro, from Fresh Breath Pro till the end, and I have given it to midjourney, like /imagine, and then I put all the prompt here. But here by mistake, or you can say I was testing out different things, the version is different. It is Niji 5, and it has shown me these results. Now you have seen the previous results, and now you can also see these results. Okay, so these are the results here. This one looks like a good product idea for the tongue scraper part. This one also can be utilized as a good idea, but the second and fourth are beyond the scope, I believe. The first one and the third one do have good product ideas. But let's assume this is not near to what you need, and there are some issues. Now we are going to see how we can improvise, or how we can improve the prompt part. First, let's see this other prompt scenario, in which what I've done is I've put the same copy paste stuff, like the same thing, the features and description of the tongue scraper given by ChatGPT. Definitely, if there is any point irrelevant to what I'm looking for, I can definitely skip that part. But here the difference is it has midjourney version 5.1. Now, this is something which you guys are going to see. Let's say we are not giving any insight or highlight to Midjourney to not show us model, or maybe in some products we do need a model in the main image, and in some products we don't. So now from here onwards, we are going to see a different additions to the prompt with which we can improve the outcome of the Midjourney part. So here you can see, if I go further here, these are the tongue scraper, but then again it does not make sense at all these four designs are not relevant. So sometimes you just need to regenerate the same prompt 2 3 4 times to find something valuable. It may be possible that you may get this result as the first one, and then this result in the second step or the third step when you regenerate the same prompt. So you need to play out a bit with it. So after that, here I've done one tweak, and if you guys can see, this is here. You can see I've added 2 semicolons without any space, and then full picture of the product showcasing or showing its features, and then again 2 semicolons, and I've put the weight of 2. Now you can definitely go through the documentation of Midjourney prompts to see what does it mean, or to see some other different possibilities to test it out. But I have handpicked 2 3 different prompt additions which are going to help you a lot in refining the result part. Now, what does it mean? It means like, what's the purpose of this part? Adding 2 semicolons. It's about the image, the prompt weight. Not about the image. It's about the prompt weight. Like if you say, the Midjourney has given a very beautiful example here. If you type hot dog, it's going to show you the hot dog, which is an edible thing. Now, if you put hot, then 2 semicolons, and then dog, and then 2 semicolons, and then add a different weight to it, maybe 1.5, maybe 2, then it's going to cater these two parts separately. So it's going to show you up a dog with flames on it, or a dog in fire, that kind of stuff. So this is an example by Midjourney to highlight the importance. uh I'm being lazy. I could have shown you that image from the Midjourney documentation, but it's just simply going on like that. So why we are doing it? The whole purpose is we are highlighting that we need a full picture of the product, showcasing its features. So it's going to omit all the models, the lifestyle image, or all that part, and it's going to show you a picture which is very much similar to the main image on the Amazon listing. What you do on the Amazon listing main page, you show up the full picture of the product, showcasing its features. So that's the main image usually. And Midjourney does not have any idea that you are going to use it for the Amazon listing, so it does provide you the listings with or the images with the models, like in the lifestyle pictures, such kind of stuff. So this prompt, adding 2 semicolons, then adding this line, full picture of the product showcasing its features, then adding 2 semicolons and 2, it's going to draft the result like the Amazon main image. But then again, let's assume these results. This looks like a spoon, and this looks like a toothbrush, and this is a good addition, like it is stainless steel, and the upper thing here, it can be something to scrap your tongue. Now this sounds like something valuable, but then again, this is the electric one, and we don't need electric one. So then again, it has omitted the model part. And but let's say, even after adding this addition, you say that it's not close to what I'm looking for. Now you have something in your mind, and Midjourney is giving you some ideas, but those ideas are way beyond or way different than what you are thinking. Now, how we are going to define that? So this is an example of tongue scraper. If you type tongue scraper or tongue cleaner, this is what you are going to see on the, well, like a similar design to this you are going to see on the Amazon platform. So what I've done is, now I'm adding another prompt addition, in which I have asked the Midjourney to imagine, like / imagine, and then I have put the image here. And then after putting up the image link, I have copied the same prompt. Now, after copying up the same prompt, I have added this thing again, like full picture of the product showcasing its feature. And then I have added 2 dash, and IW is here. Here is the IW. IW is image weight, and you can add an image weight. The maximum value can be 2. Like the standard value, the default value is 1, and the maximum value can be 2. Now, what does it mean? It means I have given Midjourney the link of this picture of tongue scraper, which is being sold on Amazon platform already. And I have given him a set of prompt. Then now I have refined the prompt as well by saying that I need a full picture of product showcasing its features. And then I'm asking, whatever result you are going to show up, make sure that while processing that thing, the contribution of the link in which I've shared the image of tongue scraper, which is being sold on Amazon, the contribution of that part is 50% more than the contribution of the prompt. So what it's going to do, we can the maximum image weight we can put is 2, but I have put in this example 1.5. So it is going to show you something similar to the designs on Amazon platform, but then again a bit different. So these are the results. This the third one, it is a good tongue scraper, no doubt. This fourth one is a good value addition. Like let's say if you want to stay very close to the design, the bestseller designs already available on Amazon, this is something different. You can add something to improve the tongue scraping part or the tongue cleaning part, and then it has modified the bottoms here. Now again, this is also a part. This one is, I believe, useless. And if you see, there are some artifacts in the images generated by midjourney as well, like this thing you can see here. Like the upper circular part, the semicircular part, it is defected. And then again, this in the second image, the image on the packaging is related to a product of the image one, but then again the product outside is different. So these two products are basically different. And if you see the image 4 on the packaging, the prong or the leg of the second leg is not visible, or is broken, disappeared, whatsoever on the case. So these are some artifacts which you guys need to keep in mind. It's not the perfecto scene, but then again, with a bit of image editing stuff, you can utilize this thing. And here my purpose is to generate product design ideas, not to generate images which I'm going to apply directly on my Amazon listing. Now from here, let's say after completing this the product design ideas part, what we are going to do is we are going to see some of the product development features. But before going to the third step, let me show you once by performing all this thing on the Discord so you don't get confused. Here is an image which I have uploaded, the same image which I showed you, like this is one of the main listing image of Amazon seller. So I have clicked the plus button here, upload a file, and then selected the file to upload this. And then this image is uploaded here. Now, if you are using the web browser or the desktop interface of the Discord, what you need to do is you need to do the right click here. Maybe so you need to do the click here and then right click here. Here you're going to copy image address, and after that, what you need to do is / imagine, and then paste it the media, and then the prompt. Now with the prompt, maybe this one. Let's copy this. These two things I've added. Let's say here the image weight is 2, and then after that click enter. And it's going to take some time waiting to start, and then it will do some stuff part, do the processing and show up the images. This is how you're supposed to do that. I just thought to share it along with the video so that you don't get confused how I'm doing all this part. So here is the search result, which midjourney is showing us after putting up the prompt. If I zoom it in, then these are the scrapers. Now it is kind of a different idea, this one, the one on which I'm holding the cursor. And then again, this one is a bit different and unique. And this one is kind of same as what's being shared by a picture. But then again, I put the image weight 2, and that is the maximum weight. If you put up 1.1 or 1.2, that's definitely going to show you up a different result. Now let's jump on to the third step. Then again, I got back to ChatGPT 4 and I've given it the command. I'm going to feed you the brief of positive and negative reviews of tongue scraper on the Amazon platform. Are you okay? Here was the response of ChatGPT. Of course, please go ahead and provide the reviews. I'm here to help. I'm here to help analyze them and provide insights. Now, just to let you know, the product opportunity explorer, once you, it's the feature in Seller Central. Once you select that part, and there in the inside, there is the customer reviews insights beta version, and it's been around for like last 6 to 8 months. There we can select the product tongue scraper, and this is a screenshot from the Amazon Seller Center interface. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to copy paste each and every review from the Amazon listings on the front end. I'm going to check it out by this way. So these are the positive review snippets, like these are the topics and the percentage mention and the review snippets, and this is for the negative one. Now I'm going to feed this to ChatGPT. Here is the positive one, and I have just drag and copy pasted all that, nothing else. So this was the brief of positive reviews. I'm sharing a brief of negative review with you as well. So this is giving me response. Okay, I have understood and acknowledged this part. Now here is the brief of the negative review section. I've then again dragged the negative section and copy and pasted that here. And here is the understanding of ChatGPT after getting the prompt of negative reviews. That is, some people have issues with the cleansing. Some have complained that the taste is weird. Some talked about ease of cleaning, breathability. So all this part. Now, after this, I'm going to give them the command that yes, correct. Based upon the above data of positive and negative reviews, suggest some ideas for product development or improvement in design of product. So I have asked him to particularly get these headings like please describe your response in following patterns: product development ideas, what features product should have, what features product should not have, any other valuable insight from your side. So this is the response by ChatGPT, and if you read it out, it's not based upon product design only. There are some valuable suggestions here. For example, ChatGPT is asking you, based upon reading the review insights, that you should improve the cleaning instructions in your packaging. You should make sure the design is comfortable, that the design is rust resistant material, made up of rust resistant material, and definitely this is what you need to put effort in the sourcing time. It has nothing to do with the product designs. Then again, the design should be easy to clean, the grip should be comfortable, then the corrosion resistant, and then detailed user guideline. What features should not have complex mechanics, sharp edges. Now it's a pain point. Many people have complained that with sharp edges they gotta cut on their tongue, and it can be very troublesome for the seller. And then any other valuable insight from your side? The people have taste concerns, price should be justified, packaging should be good. So these are some valuable things which are beyond the product design scope. So it's also giving you data to improve your product design. So you come up with value addition in your design and you can ace the competition. And then again, it's also giving you a suggestion for some tweaks and improvements in your packaging, in your instruction manual, in improving the quality of the product, or maybe putting some effort on the pricing part. So it's giving you all this data. Now, after this, the last thing, the copywriting part, and feeding it all these insights, feeding it the positive negative reviews, the customer avatar. This is what a copywriter needs to know: who I am going to sell this product to, what is my customer avatar, what are their pain points, what are their psychographics, what are their values and goals in life. Okay, and then again, what are the features of the product? So if you see, we've been going through all this conversation up till now, and it has prepared a mini bot, and it has provided all the details to the ChatGPT mini bot, like this existing conversation, which you need to provide to a copywriter. So it's giving all insights, the positive reviews, the negative reviews, the product features, the customer avatar, and all that data. Now, after feeding it all this data, I'm asking it for the last and fourth action, or the thing which I discussed with you, the copywriting part. Now, based upon the above data, please write the Amazon listing copywriting for stainless steel tongue scraper, pack of two with travel friendly case. Just to add, I need a title with maximum character limits. It should be byte limits, but then again, character limits of 200 bytes, then 5 bullet points with maximum character limit of 1000 bytes, and then description of 1000 bytes. You can play with the description part. There is no such limitation from Amazon side. Now, this is the end result, guys. The title, Fresh Breath Pro, it's picking up the brand name, which is also suggested by ChatGPT. So you can also utilize this ChatGPT for this feature. And then durable, rust resistant, easy to clean design. Maybe if you can add a couple of keywords as well, that I want you to incorporate these keywords in the title, and then these 5, 6, or 10 keywords in the bullet point, then maybe it will do that as well in a very amazing manner. Then the bullet points, or the superior oral hygiene, high quality and rust resistant, comfortable and easy to use, easy to clean and sterilize, and then travel friendly case, and also the description part here. So this is how you can utilize ChatGPT and Midjourney, not only to create some new product design ideas, but also to get some positive feedback or some valuable feedback to get improvement in the product, because it's getting compulsory now. Right now, I believe it's like, it's there's no way out right now. If you don't use it, if you don't implement it, then those who are going to use it, they may have a competitive edge on you. We have started utilizing all this. We have started improving all our current or existing product designs to make sure that we do come up with something better on a frequent basis. Before ChatGPT, maybe in 2018 or 2019, you used to, a keen observer, like someone who is observing a particular niche on Amazon, he might have observed that a new design update is coming after maybe 2 years, 2.5 years. In 2020s, like 2021, 2, 3, this thing has picked up the pace. Now you can see 2, 3 new designs coming every year. Now with ChatGPT, this thing of launching new designs, because with the help of all these Stable Diffusion and Midjourney, this process is going to get very much facilitated, and you are going to see much more new designs and much more revamping or better designs in the market at a better pace, than it used to had before. So it's kind of something compulsory for the product owners. I'm going to share the prompt details in a link below in the video description. You can check out those, even though those are very simple, but still just to facilitate you guys. And that's all from my side today. I hope you may find value in this video. If you found, then please do like the video, subscribe the channel, share the video, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Till then, goodbye.